Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these 5 by 7 1/4 oval plaques I got from Walmart. One side of them, as well as the edge, I'm painting with khaki color acrylic paint. And on the opposite side, I'm painting just a little bit of the rim. I do that to all three, dry that completely, and then I'm using a baby wipe with some white acrylic paint and whitewashing all of the painted areas. And then I'm taking this scrapbook paper I got from Temu and tracing out each of the ovals. I do need 2 of the pieces of paper. Next, I add Mod Podge to the unpainted side of the plaques and place down the scrapbook paper. And then smooth it out with my hands, use my heating tool to dry that completely. And then while it's still warm, I'm taking a piece of parchment paper and just smoothing it out, making sure it's fully attached and there are no bubbles. And then sand off any excess paper. Once those are done, I'm setting them down 2 right against each other and 1 in the center of those on top, using my square to make sure that they are even. I add hot glue to the back of one of them and place it on the other 2. And then I'm going to be taking this spindle piece that I got from Temu, and I'm taking that and cutting off the bottom of it just so it'll lie flat on the back of the plaques. I just use my miter shears to cut that down and make that a flat edge for gluing. Add hot glue and place that on the center plaque on the back of it, adding a little bit more hot glue on the back for stability. On the front, right below the spindle, I'm adding some Spanish moss, attaching that with hot glue. I trim those up. And then I'm going to be using these wooden dice I got from Dollar Tree, hot gluing those to the back bottom of the 2 plaques that are next to each other. And then paint those with the same khaki color acrylic paint and using the whitewash on top of it. Now, if you can't find these wooden dice from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby has some wooden cubes that are about the same size that would work as well. And then I'm hot gluing some burlap leaves within the Spanish moss. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.